Поехали. Hi guys, today is very important day. Today I will teach you my dish, which one I think every person should know how to cook. This is fried on the pan potato. You maybe think this is easy to make. No, because a lot of people do a lot of mistake, and I will tell you how to make perfect fried potato and not fail it. This is very cheap dish, and you can save a lot of money even if you go somewhere to the trip or nature. You can fry easy on the pan or somewhere else. Okay, now I will show you what we have. We have potatoes. I usually prefer use red one and big 2 onions. Now I will show you how to cut it and how to peel it, because this is important as well. For peeling, we will use special device which one help us to peel faster and thinner. Now I show you how to peel potato fast and quick. You grab potato hot like that, take this with one finger and pulling slowly. When we finish, we clean here. We can use that one to cut eyes and job done. Now I will show you how to cut onion. First we cut this one. After we cut here and start peeling. Job done. Now we wash it and I show you how to cut. Okay guys, do you understand that this is very easy dish? Today my son will help me to do that. Actually he will do that, or I will explain how to do, and you understand that making potato it's very easy. He do that first time.
Hello guys, I'm here because my father wanted me to peel some potatoes.
And not only peel, but and cook professionally under my what?
Supervision.
Under my supervision.
So this is my attempt of using my father's technique of peeling a potato. Don't apply too much pressure. It should be very light and easy to peel off. And take your time if it's your first time doing it. And that is how you peel a potato.
Okay guys, now we start cutting potatoes and onion. Make sure potato is not very thin, because when start cooking can just break down and become like mashed potatoes. We don't want that. Now I show you how to cut onion. First we cut half. After turn. Be careful very with knife. Knife is very sharp. Don't cut yourself. Like that. Now my assistant try to do that.
Now I will show you how I will cut the potato and onion. So first, cut it in half. And then use a claw technique. Make sure they're not too small. Now the next one. Try to get them all about the same size. Now let's do the onion.
Most important, guys, life hack. Onion have juice. That means when you will cut it, you can cry from this juice. I give you very important life hack how not do that. You just take water to your mouth and just keep it, and you not will cry. Guys, we not take water to the mouth and we crying really. What I'm talking about? Yeah. Okay, guys, we decide little bit upgrade our potatoes and make it more yummy. And we will use bacon. This is smoked nice bacon. We just cut it to 3 pieces and we will fry it. We not place this bacon straight away because it's very thin and can burn. That means we put somewhere in the middle of cooking potatoes together with onion. Okay, now we will fry on this pan. Usually I am frying on stainless steel, but because most of you have pans like that, I will cook on pan like that. First we put some oil, like that, and we should heat it. When oil became hot, we place potato, and after we will wait without mixing. This is very important. You should place potato and not touch about, I think, 10 minutes. Depends of the fire, which one you use. And only after that you can mix it. To understand how hot it's oil, you can place on top hand, but not touch it, not touch it. Just you will feel heat, and that means it's ready to put potatoes. Be careful because potato have little bit water and oil can splash. That means be careful about that. Okay, guys, now it's oil, it's hot. To put potatoes, we take out from the fire to not splash. Take potatoes and slowly put on the pan. After put on the fire. And cover it. Now we will wait, I think 5-10 minutes before first time we mix it. Okay guys, now it's 10 minutes later we will mix it. And on another, I think 10 minutes.
10 minutes later and we're ready to add all the ingredients. Let's start mixing it before adding all the ingredients. Now we're going to add all the onions. And now the bacon. Make sure you break the bacon up so it's not all in one piece.
And now we continue frying without covering lids. And now you should look, and when it's onion and bacon start frying, just mix it to make sure it's not burned. Potato should be like you see, from one side crispy, from another one side it's soft. Okay, now is our potato almost ready. Now we will put salt. But be careful with salt because bacon is quite salty. As well, we put black grounded pepper. And to make more amazing this dish, we put dill. Usually I put fresh, but it's finished, and we put dry. Now it's mix. put some spring onion to make dish more nicer. And that's it. Dish is ready. Good appetite. Guys, now is most important tips. First, when you see oil start go on, put little bit more extra because potato take this oil. Second, you should be very careful about fire. If fire is too high, that means potato can burn much faster, and you always need keep eye on it to not burn it. And not put too much salt because bacon it's already salted. As well, you can put to this dish dry mushroom. It's make this dish more amazing. This dish is very popular in villages. In village, first time I tried this dish. Good appetite, guys. In comment write how this dish you make. Any tips, any suggestion.
So this is my opinion on this dish. This dish is a 9 out of 10. Amazing. All the flavors together. Just amazing. Can't believe it. Okay. This dish is really easy to make, and I hope yours turned out just as well as this one did.